Hi, I'm Dave from the PortaParsonage, and as you may already know, Jenny and I have purchased a 1974 Amerigo truck camper to put on the property to give us just an overnight place when we need it. Of course, you know it's a project. If you haven't seen the videos up to this point, I'm going to put a link in and you'll be able to go to the YouTube channel and catch those videos, and it'll show you where we're at. In the meantime, over the course of the winter and the fall here, I am picking up some pieces and some parts so that when the spring comes, I can get in there and get things working and get things squared away. I am really excited today. I'm going to do an unboxing. I've already opened the box, but I haven't actually undone everything and pulled it all out and got it squared away. So I've got a surprise, and I want to share that with you now. All right, well, I have picked up a special item, and it actually arrived 2 full months earlier than anticipated. And so here it is. I picked up, at the recommendation of another YouTuber, a 12-volt lithium iron phosphate battery. And it came packaged nicely. It came early. I'm really pleased. So far, so good. I've not had an opportunity to check it out or to test it, but I'm going to play around a little bit and get this off. This is trash. It's got nice handles. It is a 12-volt, 100-amp-hour battery, and has a charge current of 50 amps, a discharge current of 100 amps, peak discharge of 260 amps. It is about 23 pounds, I believe, and I am really excited to check it out. A little later here, I'm going to get my voltmeter and test to see where the charge is at right now, and then we'll go from there. I'll put it away for the winter. All right, I have my voltmeter, my multimeter, and I'm going to test the charge on the battery, and we'll talk about the battery a little bit. So set that up, and I don't know that you can read that, but we'll see here in a moment. I'm going to test this out, and it says that we've got 13.2 volts, so that we're somewhere around 40% charged. So I'm going to need to get it charged up before I use it for much of anything. This battery, I'm really pleased again, as I said. It's 23 pounds, so it's a whole lot lighter than a regular house battery for the camper. It's 100 amp hour again. I picked this up for $365, including shipping. The shipping, I think, was $83. So you can do the math there and figure out what the cost of the battery is, but of course shipping is part of the cost, and it's just how it is. It has a built-in BMS with the high and low voltage cutoff, and it's got the low temperature cutoff as well, which is really handy for a battery like this. So it'll discharge below freezing, but you will only be able to charge it at 32 degrees and above, and it'll automatically shut off otherwise if it gets any colder than that. So we're going to have to later try it out, get it charged up and try it out and see how it's going to work in the camper.